How to use Spotify Connect across devices. Spotify Connect makes it easy to control music playback across multiple devices using just your phone or tablet. To get started, make sure all devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and log into the same Spotify account. Open the Spotify app on your phone and start playing any song. Then tap the device icon at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a speaker next to the screen. This will bring up a list of all available devices that support Spotify Connect. Simply tap the device you want to play music on, and the audio will instantly transfer to that device. You can then use your phone as a remote control to pause, skip, or change tracks from anywhere in your home. Spotify Connect gives you full control and a smooth listening experience. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.